Do you want to lose your Hamster Kombat Airdrop token? If the answer is no, then you need to learn how to withdraw your Hamster Kombat token from Telegram to Binance in the correct way. Okay, guys, in this video, I'll be guiding you to withdraw your Hamster Kombat Airdrop, your hard-earned Hamster Kombat Airdrop from Telegram to Binance without losing even 1 unit of the airdrop. Okay, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that when next I publish video content, you'll be the first to catch the alpha and you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, next, what are the things you need in order to withdraw your Hamster token from Telegram to Binance and convert it to whichever currency that you are using, on the 26th of September? What are the things needed? Okay, the first thing you need in this case is a Binance app, a Binance application. You need to register on Binance. You need to have a Binance account. I believe if you have been in crypto, you should have a Binance app. You should be registered on Binance. Okay, so in order to register, you need to open an account. You can check the description section. There's a link to open a Binance account, register, and in order for you to be ready, you need to put in the information that are needed, like your identity or information and other information that you'll be asked to impute in order to be verified on Binance. Okay, the next thing you need is the Hamster Kombat account. This is very, very important. In fact, without this, there's no point going through this process, because this is what brought us to this problem. This is what it is, the Hamster Kombat. That is why you are looking for solution on how to withdraw it. So if you have not been farming Hamster Kombat, then there's no point withdrawing. Okay, so then the next thing you need is what we call a Binance Hamster Kombat address. And to get that, you go to, when you open Binance, it will take you to home. But for you to get the address, you go to wallet. Okay, when you go to wallet, click on deposit. Click on deposit. Type HMSTR. HMSTR is the ticker for Hamster Kombat. Okay, then this is the network. Network is the chain or is the blockchain that the withdrawal will be passed through. Click on it. Okay, now this is the Hamster Kombat Binance address, and it is time for me to show you how to go about withdrawal. I'll show you how to copy it and how to do every other thing. Then this is the Hamster Kombat memo. These two informations are very needed. To submit, you need a Binance account and you need a Hamster Kombat account. You need a Binance, a Hamster Kombat Binance address, and you need Hamster Kombat memo code. All right. Next, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on what you need to do from point A to point Z correctly in order to have this Hamster Kombat token claimed on that day. Let's get there. Okay, now we are on Hamster Kombat's page. Then you go to airdrop. Okay, click on airdrop. I'm on airdrop. Okay, so you can see that the listing date is 26th September 2024. All right, so what we are interested in this place is Binance Exchange, which is the first one. And they say KYC needed. KYC is what I just explained. You need to put your information, your identification information, so that you can get verified on Binance. Okay, so we click on Binance Exchange. So you must have an account. If you have an account, say yes, I have. Now let's read here. Do you have a Binance account? If yes, you need to add your deposit address and remote code to receive it. Let's create it. If you don't have, you can click here. If you have, click yes, I have it, which is what we have. So the two information that I just explained are the deposit address and the memo code. So we go to Binance and copy. Okay, we have copied the deposit. I just click on this copied icon, click on it, you copy the deposit address, we come here, okay, and click on and deposit and put it. Then we'll go back again to Binance and copy the memo code. Okay, and copy the memo code. Then paste the memo code here. Okay, so that is the memo code. Make sure you confirm that the information that you have supplied are the correct information. Like for example, the memo code is 1070525009. Can click confirm here. 1070525009. Okay, so this is simply what you need to do. Then you click on save and choose. But here is the catch. After choosing you cannot change withdrawal option. That means you have only one option, and that option, once you make your option, you cannot change that option. It's either you are choosing Bybit or you are choosing Binance Exchange, or you are choosing Telegram internal wallet. So, but once you make your first choice, you cannot change it. How do you know the best one to choose? The best one to choose is the one that is the exchange that you are familiar with, that you have been using. Okay, so that is the guide. That is how to do it in order for you not to lose your coin chasing what is not existing. All right, guys, if you find this content, this video, this guide helpful and useful, kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel. Like and share, comment. Do you have specific questions concerning Hamster Kombat? Drop it in the comment section and I will attend to you. Also, there's a related video here on how to withdraw your Hamster Kombat token to Bybit Exchange. Check it and you'll find it helpful. Okay, the Coin Dollar community is a community where we share the next big alpha on airdrop and how to make money in crypto, information on how to make money in crypto. Okay, join the community by checking the description section.